Hi, David Hallett coming to you live from outside the Melbourne Convention and Exhibition Centre, the venue for our International Public Works Conference starting on 30th of April, which is not too far away. Now, we've been giving some thought lately to why people would attend a conference, not just our conference but any conference, and the reasons are various. There's obviously the professional development opportunities, there's the chance to mix with suppliers and service providers to the sector, obviously the chance to mix and mingle with peers and colleagues, but we think there's a deeper reason why people might attend a conference, and that is to be part of a like-minded community. Work can be pretty isolating. It's great to get out of the office sometimes, to engage with your peers and colleagues, to hear their stories, to see what they've been up to share some of your challenges and perhaps get some solutions to some of the difficulties you might be facing. And above all, to feel like you're part of something. The public workspace is a great space. It's filled with people doing fantastic work for their communities. And a conference is your chance to get together with them, learn something, make new friends, and above all, feel better about yourself and the work you're doing. So I really hope you can make it to our conference, and I look forward to seeing you there.